Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to visit Alaska Aviation Museum in Anchorage City, Alaska, United States of America. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. The Alaska Aviation Museum, previously the Alaska Aviation Heritage Museum, is located on Lake Hood Seaplane Base in Anchorage, Alaska. Its mission since 1988 is to preserve, display, and honor Alaska's aviation heritage by preserving and displaying historic aircraft, artifacts, and memorabilia, and to foster public interest in aviation and its history. The museum has over 30 aircraft on display, a restoration hangar, flight simulators, 2 theaters, and a Hall of Fame. It provides an emphasis on historic aircraft, aviation artifacts, and memorabilia that contributed to the development and progress of aviation in Alaska, including bush flying and the World War II Army base on Adak Island. The museum is made up of the main, Rasmuson, South, and Restoration Hangars, as well as a shelter. Also on display is the Air Traffic Control Tower CAT used at Merrill Field from 1962 to 2002. The Alaskan Historical Aircraft Society was founded in 1977, and the museum opened to the public in 1988. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you on our next video, and we'll explore new places of Anchorage City, Alaska, United States of America.